give to all please. Okay.
Get or not. So they were just keeping guessing also, because at the same time my mouth was also locked, because I cannot say unless I am assured or the word comes from the boss's mouth. I cannot tell myself or declare myself candidate also. So people were a little bit doubtful also.
Different positions that he used to have. And hence it gives me a lot of happiness today to have somebody like Mr. A.T. Mandal and his entire team to join the family of the National People's Party. आज फुलबारी एरिया के लोग हमारे नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी के फेसबुक में आप लोग ये प्रोग्राम लाइव देख रहे हैं.
No party is sinking ship unless, because we have seen many in the national scenario also, many parties which are wiped out, then they bounce back. It is not that it is a sinking party, so I am jumping the ship. It is not like that.
So how do you see the...
No party is sinking ship unless, because we have seen many in the national scenario also, many parties which are wiped out, then they bounce back. It is not that it is a sinking party, so I am jumping the ship. It is not like that.
So how do you see the Congress prospects in 2023?
See, now as I am no more in Congress, of course, for a long time, I have been associated with Congress. So it will be their strategy how they will work. But I am seeing the prospect of NPP is fast and more as far as Garobis is concerned.